My Africa is authentic. My Africa is bold. My Africa is fun. Hi, I'm Chef Raphael, and welcome to My Africa. Welcome to my home kitchen. This is where the magic happens. And I'll add a little bit first. I'm known as a Facebook chef. I teach people how to cook, and I use the internet for that. And I saw how hard it can be.
From Facebook to YouTube, people all over the world are learning how to cook from Kenyan chef Raphael.
But today I'm going to show you about to make pancakes.
Whether it's fluffy pancakes or a Kenyan favorite,
You actually want to increase the heat.
the chef has it all covered.
I like social media because you can reach people instantly. I have come to appreciate its power, of how somebody can, I can reach somebody in Holland or in Europe basically, or somebody in the US, somebody in Australia. I get feedback from people. When you're doing pancake, you have to be careful with the heat. There's a couple who are on long distance relationships. The guy told me he really appreciates what I'm doing because sometimes they have date night and then they're doing a long distance thing, but using my recipe and connecting and having the same kind of meal while they're far. That's the kind of response that always keeps me going. And let me just confirm it by tasting on your behalf. There's a lady who just simply wrote, "Thank you very much. I would want to hug you." She's not even in Kenya. My tagline says bringing cooking back. I'm all about encouraging people to cook their own meals, take control of their cooking. So exciting, and I'm looking forward to it, and like I said, to share it. Till next time, goodbye. I simplify the cooking process. I show you how we do it in the restaurant. When you see a nice steak and nice vegetables and this, I show you it's something you can actually do at home. The impact I want for My Africa is to be the guy who encourages people to love their cooking. The guy who brings families together. So you're here at the carnival. The main thing about the carnival is the meat. It's all about the meat. As children, we used to come here with my dad because he used to work here. It was fun. We were eating out. It was all good. I remember as a kid playing in this.
Eventually, Raphael's father struck out on his own. That family business helped Raphael hone in on exactly what he wanted to do in life.
After high school, I was working in our restaurant, our family restaurant. My dad, he opened up a big restaurant and I was working there. That's my first entry into the industry.
At 24, Raphael decided to get the training he needed to perfect his craft, enrolling at Utali College in Nairobi.
After I finished college, I immediately went to the US, in Orlando. Disney, it was fun. I had fun on that aspect. Working in a restaurant, it was also a good exposure. I got to see a different way of doing things, cooking American style food. Immediately after I finished that, I went to the UK. Again, got to work now in a 5-star hotel. And the next year, what I did, I got a job in a cruise ship. Got to travel the world. It was a lot of hours, long hours, which is different from working on land. But since I was doing it out of love for the job, and I was also wanted to know that I want to get the best out of that experience, I did it. And then finally I came back to Kenya. I'm loving that I came back home. Today we are here to do a cooking masterclass. I also do cooking classes, which is great. I actually love coming to somebody's home, or sometimes it's a group of, usually ladies, I'll be honest. It's usually ladies, and teach them as a group. Hello, guys. Sorry to keep you waiting. Sometimes you don't have And this is what I love doing. I love imparting my knowledge into them and making them enabled that they can actually go home and do it. Being adventurous, that's what cooking is all about. I felt restrained when working in a restaurant. It's a routine, it's boring. I'm not good at doing the same thing over and over again. So what I'm doing has done is to, first of all, help me have the free will to do whatever I want in terms of creating a menu, creating recipes, cooking different meals, which I'll never get to do if I'm working in a restaurant. Today we are at Ngara Market. I'm here to do my shopping. When I'm doing my recipes, I need fresh looking produce so that even when I'm doing it on photos or on video, they look nice and fresh. So this market gives me that quality. Having worked literally all over the world and many different kitchens, the fact is, no matter where you are, an onion is the same, beef is the same, tomatoes are the same, the ingredients are all the same. Whatever is different is how they come together to create one dish. So food brings us together, before and after. And you know it's cooked when Monandani. I want to be like the African Jamie Oliver, but I'm not all about being a celebrity. It's about making an impact, a positive impact in somebody's life. You still need to add a little bit of milk. The next generation of chefs or the young people coming into the industry, my advice would be, don't take a career because you think you'll earn a lot of money. Do because of the love of the job. When you get into the job, be a sponge. Learn from anyone you're working with, your seniors, because they've been there longer than you in terms of experience. So learn from them. Do it for the right reason, and the right reason is because you love it. If I was not doing this, to be honest, I have no idea what I'll be doing. And then you finish off with sprinkles. Then that's yours. Clap for her.